Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Adventures of Alien. If you know you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification button. Thank you. So today's episode is all about my makeup, and you know there's always a beauty behind that face, and which is my face. So what we're gonna do now is just construct our brows, and you know there's always something about perfection. So we're not too perfect, but we're gonna rock it out. So just stay tuned for the final look. Right now, what I'm gonna do is conceal my brows because I'm done drawing them. Conceal with good concealer. Yeah, my people. You know there's no eyeshadow without no primer, because your primer is your base to make it all sleek and make your eyeshadow. We go to our eyeshadow because we need to blend in the eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna do my arc because I got an inspiration for this photo shoot. So it's gonna be arc based. So we're just done with the act. So afterwards, we'll move to the lashes. You know how the lashes pop when everybody pops with it. So I'm gonna slay with my lashes. You love it, yeah, I do. Okay, after that, we apply our bronzer on our face. Then, you know what? We'll pat it up. You know, because you need to blend all your makeup in. Always pick points. Blend in your makeup. Please. Blend it in. So afterwards, we're done blending with the bronzer. We're going to go straight into applying our foundation. Blend it. You know what we do is blend. Then after blending, you go in to conceal your areas where you need it to pop for the sun reflection, because when you glow, we glow together. So, after that, we go on to conceal the nose, because you know how people want the concealed nose to make it small and sharp for everyone to fall in love. But no, I got small nose, so I'm not hiding nothing from you guys. Then I'm going to apply my powder. Apply it. Then we go into the lips. Now I'm going to go for red, because my team is red and pink. So we need a pop. You know what? Pouch those lips for me.